Hey, what up, nerds?
Hello. Happy Tuesday.
How's it going?
How are you guys?
Whew. It is warm in here.
We're starting off with a maca treat, like right off the bat. Isn't that wild? Thank
Captain
you,
and Osa, hello. And Patrick, how's it going?
IQ test. Google IQ test.
IQ. Can you do IQ test on camera?
IQ test. Google, there is a treat on my hand, but you must eat it.
So Celine has a treat on her palm, but she's making a circle with her fingers. And Maka can't understand that she can go around the circle.
She's actually
trying to go through the circle.
She went for a lick through my hand.
She doesn't understand. She could just go around the fingers.
She's trying to lick it.
That's crazy.
Cuckoo, I thought you were smarter than this.
Oh, she almost figured it out.
Cuckoo.
Oh my god.
You can see the treat in my hand. Oh. She got it.
She got it.
She got it. How long did it take her to figure it out?
Good minute.
Okay, let's do it again. Okay. Cuckoo, did you learn? Are you a fast learner, if not an intuitive? No, we're trying. She's trying.
The stream can't see.
I know, but it's still cute that she's trying.
It's going for me. How's it going for you? Pretty good.
Okay, wait. If I do this, can the stream see?
We just had dinner and now we're ready for some game dev.
You can kind of see that. She's still licking my finger.
He doesn't comprehend.
She doesn't comprehend. She's just licking my finger.
Okay, ma'am. We have stuff to do.
I'm sorry. I was just testing Cuckoo's IQ and being. And proud is not the word I'm looking for. Cuckoo, here we go.
Well, so today we're doing stuff. Celine is going to texture this thing.
Yeah.
The door for the garage.
True.
And I am going to start on the end screen. So I guess both for when the player successfully extracts or gets knocked out, the end screen will come up and then it'll probably just have a restart button for the playtest at least.
Mm-hmm.
It'll just have a go again button. Yeah, and we're gonna have to figure out everything that we want to show in said screen. So why don't we start there, actually? Let's figure out the end screen. Okay. So we want time survived. We want survivors rescued. We want this will probably just have, we won't go into the special survivor types at this point before the lab. Resources collected, which will just be will just be, I don't know, it'll almost be like points at this stage because you can't actually go back to the lab and use them yet. So for the playtest, it's just kind of like how many resources can you collect type of thing. It won't have too much of a purpose. Go again button. Tellists, hello.
Hello.
How's it going?
It's
We're
going
doing pretty good.
good. Thank you. Hope you're having a good Tuesday.
We're just starting out. Being amazing, nice. Good to hear.
Yeah, good.
I mean, ideally, we do want to show upgrades and zombie upgrades. I don't know if we'll do that at this stage. I feel like this will be its own task. But we'll see. We can start with this stuff. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let's do it. So, probably want the same setup as the HUD here. So let's go UI. And screen.
Making a Little Big Planet Sackboy 3D animation for YouTube.
Ooh, nice.
Cool.
Man, I remember when the OG Little Big Planet came out.
Right?
Those were the days.
Yeah.
That game was crazy when it came out.
Such a long time ago too, wasn't it?
Oh yeah. That PlayStation 3?
Right? Yeah.
Oof. Feeling old. Thank you for the follow, Anna.
Thank you.
Okay, let's start. I mean, we'll do a control, full screen control. We'll want a color rect, which will be something like this.
I still have a Little Big Planet 1, 2, 3, and I'm in the look for Sackboy's karting. Sackboy's Big Adventure.
Man, they made a lot of games.
Wow, I did not know about like the karting and stuff. It is Anna's Error 404. Full name.
Noted. Okay. So let's do a V-Box container. Then we need a label. Let's make this centered here. So this would be like the title, let's say. Title label.
Oh my goodness. I wonder who that could be. Welcome, Mr. Zombie. How are you this this good old Tuesday evening? Thank you so much
Hello.
for just blowing through your fart allocation of the day.
I think they've had their dinner.
Rum always gone.
Thank you.
And
Cheers.
hydration. Thank you so much.
I would ask what you had for dinner, but I can smell it, so I don't need to.
My cat ran across my phone? Sure. I believe that. 100%.
Red.
You have been had it.
Roast.
Oh, it's been a minute since you've been froze.
Yeah, I'll take a froge instead of a banana.
Yeah, the bananas become all the rage.
Banana can sit this one out. Thank you. How's it going, Mr. Zombie? I want to steal this. Copy. Paste. So there we go. Now, I could probably do that.
Have I also been frozen?
You have. And then boost this, maybe? Can I do that? No? Not really? Okay.
We're back. We're back to basics with the froge hats, huh?
I love it. I love it. Okay.
The froge squad, exactly. The classic froge nerds.
Yeah, we'll do this.
Mr. Zombie says they've been making pretty details with shaders and such.
Nice.
Oh, I bet that's so satisfying.
That's good. Get that polish in there. Okay. And let's do another label. We can have this be vanilla text. We can just say time survived. This is not the font I want. Is it the font I want? Maybe it is the font I want. I don't know if it's the font I want. So we can say time. We should do this differently. HBox container. Then we have this, which has time label, time value. So this would have that. This would have that. Then we can customize the separation however much we want. Okay. I mean, this could work for now. I don't hate it. Time travel.
What's going on? What do you mean time travel?
That'll be a cool upgrade. Going back in time. I feel like we've discussed this before.
I feel like I might have brought this up and you were like,
yeah.
No.
Yeah. But what if it was just like you go back to the position that you were
like
3 seconds ago? Yeah. And you'd get your health back as well.
Again, I'm pretty sure I suggested it and you shut me down, so...
Well, it obviously has grown on me. Okay, so we need time, survivors. So
We are time travelers.
you'd say survivors.
I guess we are traveling through time.
Rescued. I guess so. There's nothing we can do about it. And this would say like 1,204. Something like that. What else we got?
Goob, hello!
Hey, Goob.
So good to see ya.
How's it going? Resources collected is going to be different.
Why is it gonna be different?
For that, we're gonna do a V-box, which will also have a label. Resources label. Resources collected.
Goob mode. Goob mode activated.
And then this is gonna have a H box where we'll want to show each resource in here, but it should look something like this. If I do a texture rect, then I quick load, let's say, some duct tape. Alright, so it would show like that. Probably not as big. How do I do that? Ignore size.
It's always exciting when you see a game over screen.
Yeah, we're trying to close that loop.
The all important loop closing.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta do it.
Yep.
Even if it's not quite ready.
We're getting there.
Yeah.
And then this would also have a label which sits here. And this would say like X12, let's say. And we quick load that. Make unique. Make it a tad smaller. Let's say 20. Then we position it here. So for the items, it would show something like this. And then they just stack next to each other. So it would show your duct tape, your screws, your whatever. Something like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. Someone told me that every drop shadow is its own draw call for text. Is that the same for outlines? I don't know. I have no idea.
Is there an easy way to check, or is that complicated?
Here, not the easiest. This is actually has both. So it has an outline and a drop shadow.
Wait, imagine after all this, what's been tanking the performance is the text.
Could be. Okay. Finally, we want another one of these. And a button, or maybe a nerdy button. Do we want a nerdy button? Can I have it not fill? I can. And this would say, go again. Something like that. Might be something. Find out how we can check, because all my text uses drop shadows. I run at 3K FPS, but still that could be 10K, you know. Yeah. So if you put just a label on an empty scene and then try it with and without drop shadow, you should see your draw calls change, right? Lucas, hello.
Hi, Lucas.
You guys see my new progress update? I did. I can bring it up here.
So what?
We got a new project starting from Lucas.
Sick.
We got some Mercedes flying through.
We got some Mercedes. Let's go.
I love it. Made the most generic action into a horror game. Mercedes, I agree. They're horrific. Just kidding, Mercedes. If you want to sponsor us, it's all good. We'll take it.
None of us can drive.
Hey, I'll take it anyway.
We can't drive.
I like the vibes though. I like it. I like it. I like the lighting and everything. Like the scene setup looks cool. So this will be a horror game.
No one who knows a Mercedes knows how to drive either. So you're saying
Got him.
is that we're perfect.
Yeah, Goob, the buttons being a reusable scene is because we tried to do this animation situation with the halftones. I don't know if you can see how the texture of the yellow dots moves.
Oops.
So that's why it's its own scene. It's actually just a texture button without a texture, and then the actual button is all custom elements. It's very squanchy.
Animation, proclamation, the nation. Has to do.
And then I made it so I could customize both colors. So I could say I want this in blue, and I want the overlay texture in a dark blue, for example.
Welcome back to Edith.
Yeah, it's a little jank. It needs work, but does the job for now. No, I want to squanch.
Squanch away. Squanch is the way.
Okay. So I think... Where do we start? Where do we start here?
Whoa.
Okay, let's just get it loading, and then we'll make it do things. So if we go to our level GD, we have our UI shenanigans. We're going to load in the relevant scene. My game is so dark and serious. My next game is going to be cute rabbits running around finding carrots or something.
You gotta balance it out, right?
Yeah, a little palate cleanser.
I guess we were kind of doing the same thing. Like it was Super Cat Cafe was super cute, adorable, and now we're trying to do something a bit more cool and
no
grown up.
challenge, no stakes. We're kind of going the other way.
And I'm sure eventually you will land somewhere in the middle.
Yeah.
I feel this might be a little too much challenge, too much balancing.
Yeah. Okay, let's do region, end screen.
Oh, hey, Bandicoder. How's it going?
Hello, hello. I don't even know what to do for my next game. It's research phase again. Yeah. Sometimes it takes a while to find that thing that you really want to sink your teeth in. But it might even take a couple goes, right? Like actually starting up a project, getting a feel for stuff.
Yeah.
We also have like ideas like floating around, but nothing concrete for other games. There's so many ideas that like if you just spend a couple days making the basis of the game, you very quickly learn if A, you actually are not that into it and there's no way you're going to make a whole game around it, or two, you find out that the mechanics that worked beautifully in your head are not actually fun. So sometimes it's worth to just spend a few days on a project and just see.
I've got 2 other game ideas I have to do nothing with, or it will derail my current one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I kind of feel that.
Yep. Gonna keep beating my dead horse of an idea until I crash out. It'll be fine. New update is out with new enemy and sprinting, so you can actually cross the street. You can do it fast enough before. What am I doing? End screen scene, instantiate. I believe we have a UI layer. Do we?
Oh.
We do not.
What the heck?
Fine. Whatever. So if we have show end screen, we already have a on run lost. On run lost. I think instead of that, we probably want a run ended. On run ended show end screen. Which should be handled here already. Yes. So if we play say we extracted.
extract.
Cool. Cool. We can. Okay. Let's do extraction point. Stop it from reloading.
I need to wear this hat. I still can't believe Maka failed her IQ test. I really thought she was clever. But I'm also not surprised.
Hey, what the heck?
Evening dog walk? Oh, nice. It's really nice outside. Enjoy the walk.
Okay. Cool.
I didn't.
So we don't want to pause. We don't want to pause.
Don't want to pause.
We'll need like a Doc getting knocked out animation.
Oh snap. Yeah.
Or turning into a zombie or whatever we decide to do.
Right. Dog. Zombie dog.
What do I do for now though? Because the player, before it was restarting the run when you lost all your health, which happens here. Not here. Where does that happen? We have player. Player. Where's our HP? Here. Hurt. If health is 0, lose. Which emits run lost, run ended. So we could also say player dot we can keep it the same, I guess. Player dot lose. And then here we can define what happens on lose. Var lost. Lost true. And then for movement input, we can say if you've lost, you can't move. So now I can't move. But I'm still getting hit. And it's spawning more end screens.
Oh no, it's getting darker and darker. Oh no.
Okay, cool.
Oh my cuckoo.
Do we like very quickly do a falling over animation?
He just turns into a pile of bones, you know, like.
We have all the individual parts.
Exactly.
So I can even turn each part into a rigid body, so it just bounces away.
That's not terrifying at all.
Do it.
No, what did I suggest? I'm sorry. Golba file.
Okay, if we do a reset. We say animation, duplicate,
Hi, Diz.
knockout. It is.
Lucas says, I feel like I missed something from the ad. Well, we were just saying how you're gonna make a quick dock animation for when it's game over and you lose.
Yeah.
And I said he should kind of like fall apart like a bag of bones, you know, like just all the body
collapse.
Parts. Yeah. And it's like technically we could because all the body parts are detachable. But that it might be a little too macabre. Carb? How do you say that?
Macabre sounds right. Morbid. It's morbid time, is what the kids say. Right?
Yeah.
The kids do be saying that. I'm pretty sure. Don't look.
I have made a garage door.
I could even squanch. Oh.
Not like this. I don't know. Jill used to turn into bones and fall down, and I played that as a kid. It's like I'm picturing something very specific in my mind. But
Just gonna like this.
That's it?
That's it.
Okay. we can do better. We can do better later. Interesting. I only drew you 2 pairs of arms. 1 pair of arms. Not 2 pairs. Why does he get flattened like a pancake? Bag of bones. Exploding bag of bones. His feet should go straight.
I'm working on it. I can't just have it perfect immediately.
Try it the proper way and see if people want parts falling apart. This says the past few days I've been playing around with my old game dev software in a Windows 98 emulator.
Oops.
Rip. What do you think?
What?
With this. emulating the.
What's your old game dev software?
And like, that means like you're also like those were the square monitors, weren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
God, there's so many tracks.
Yeah.
All the parts.
All the body parts. They're schmeeven.
Oh, I want this.
4-3.
Ooh.
Not quite square.
Ooh.
3DS Max, Poser, and Games Factory. You okay there?
It's perfect. I love him.
You're laughing at your little animation?
I love him.
Ben, welcome. Thank you for your fart. Good evening. Good afternoon. It's like he goes, ooh, a pen.
How's it going, Ben?
No, you know what it is? It's like those clips that were going around a while back of like where you were about to go outside but you tripped and slow-mo fell back into bed or into gaming.
Yeah, yeah.
That's the vibe that I'm getting. Why does he squish?
This guy's flattened. he deflates. Isn't that what happens when you get knocked out?
Will you put a
sounds about right.
deflating sound effect?
Yeah, like a balloon.
Ben is saying, I don't know who Bernie's saying I love him about, but I assume it's
Of course.
What else did I say? I have done the garage door. Yes. Oh, Maka sneezed.
Why is there a leg left and a leg left? Oh, right. Because they're different. Oh my god.
10 out of 10. Not for the gameplay, but the death animation. IGN 2025. This says make a collection of bits and put physics on them so when he dies just falls to bits.
Yeah, we were just talking about that earlier, Dis. Yeah.
Just,
That was the exact suggestion.
just crumple.
A 10 out of 10 from IGN. Does that mean it's the worst game ever made? Isn't that how it goes? I think that's the rule. And if they give it a 7, it means it's probably a masterpiece.
Yes. Oh, why can't I?
Why did I do this?
Oh.
I went the most difficult route possible to achieve this. My god.
Build. Oh. Forward. Mr. Zombie says, I need to do something similar for a part of my game where you break a door down. Physics. Oh.
Yeah, physics are fun.
Oh.
Okay. So now this all just needs to be faster. Like, I don't even need to, I'm spending more time already than I should have on this, so it's not a big deal.
You just needed to flatten him.
I just need something to happen.
Thank you for that fart. Welcome. Mixer Studio. Why is that so funny?
Oh my god.
You're losing your mind over this.
It's so dumb.
Something to say hi? Yeah, of course.
Hope all is well, Mixsource.
Ooh.
Ooh.
You gotta add a ooh.
Ooh.
The physical representation or oh. Mistake.
Hey, where'd my arm go? I lost an arm,
What do you mean? I'm looking at it.
but I lost it.
I see an arm right and an arm left. Oh. Hi, Cuckoo. Oh, why are you meowing? What ails you, Cuckoo? I petted the cuckoo.
Dead. Okay. Beautiful. I love it.
It's actually pretty good. It's pretty funny. I
It's
like
perfection. That's gonna be in the final game. 100%.
9% dog walk battery club. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Cuckoo, don't do it. Don't stay here. I hope Maka doesn't fart on you guys.
Stop.
She's the one that put her butt on the microphone. Maka, please. Oh no.
Okay. So, player lose. Animation play. Knockout. Let's see if that works.
Thank you for the fart ban. Thank you.
It's perfect. It's perfect. I love it.
I don't think you should change it. Because I think we should just ship the game like that.
Yeah.
Oh no, now I have cat hair all over my face. What have I done? Oh, wait, I'll need to do some Blender stuff. I just need to make another plane so you guys can look at Cuckoo here. Oh, what's happening?
I need to disable the hurt box. So let's get the thing. Let's say art box component monitorable, or I guess set deferred monitorable as false. Now the player should be immune or not get hurt anymore when they're down. Yep. Okay. Then we should also say for the zombies, like if the player is down, what do the zombies do? I feel like they should just start wandering.
Yeah, this should just start hanging out.
On set nav target, we can say if how do we do this? Potential targets. If potential targets is empty, and do I have access to the player here? I guess I can do it. Player they're lost. We're going to state machine change state to idle state and return out. So that should mean if they don't have the player or any survivors to chase, they'll just go idle. They don't look idle. They look like they're out for blood. Wait, I think... Right. Because this is still returning... This is still seeing the player is the problem. Which means on player, we should also do the player's collision shape. Collision shape 3D, set deferred, disabled, true. They're still just going after the player. Interesting. How are they finding the player? Potential targets does a query. That's not true. There's a query for 7 and 6. So oh, I've been catted.
You have been counted. Kitty cat, kitty
Wait,
kitty
what?
cat.
What? Player hurt box and zombie. What? This is index 7. So it would be 8 here. Player hurt boxes. And then 9. Oh, which is 10. Yeah. Which is human hurt boxes. Fine. Yeah, that's correct. That's correct. So hurt box was disabled, was set to not monitorable, so I don't understand how it sees the player anymore. That's weird. That's pretty weird. What if I just remove it from the tree? Would that be crazy? To have enough nerd points to request a hat for Celine. Inflation. It's crazy. Hey, it worked. They went idle. Okay. Then they just start roaming. However, if there's humans, they'll still go after the humans if they see them. Which works for me. One thing that was weird is that they all went idle at the same exact time. That looked really weird. So let's just do a good old await, get tree, create timer, randef range 0 to 1 second. Timeout should pause. So if we had a bunch of zombies, they should stop moving over the course of a second. Eh.
Iggy, thank you so much for your...
I don't know if that helped necessarily, but it is what it is. How's it going, Aki?
Oh,
Hello, hello. We're doing pretty good. Working on an end screen, a game over screen.
True. I'm just gonna download just some stuff.
Okay, so let's say we have that kind of working. Great. So now we need to actually populate these with the correct values. So we need the time value. We need the survivor's value. We need... we'll get to that. We'll get to that. So on ready, we're just gonna do time value text equals X and survivor's value equals X. Is that 1,204 survivors or 1.204 of a survivor?
What do you mean?
I mean, depends how well you did, I guess. Could be both. Hey, Johnson.
Hello, welcome. Happy
How's it going?
Tuesday.
Really enjoying how your game is looking, Johnson. Super cool. I love the stylized look. I was watching you work on your... What were you calling him? The bellboy? The male guy? I can't remember.
Isn't that redundant?
The bell guy, okay. Damn it. Almost got it. But yeah, that looked pretty cool. Feeling recharged back from vacation. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, our project is certainly still moving along, but I've been just fighting performance issues for like a couple weeks now. Yeah.
It's been rough.
I've been having a hard time understanding what is causing the issue exactly. Like even just running my very basic level, I'm getting FPS drops. I assume it's kind of hard to see on stream, but every like 5-7 seconds, the game does a little hiccup. And looking at the profiler and whatnot, I haven't found what's wrong, so I'm just having to like systematically look over the stuff that I've added, trying to find out what's wrong, which I'm sure I will, but it's just taking time. Taking a bit of time. Okay, I need this. I need this thing. Let's do a function update time and then we can do this, and then we'll do another for update survivors, and we'll do this. Little surprised there are performance issues at all. Doesn't seem like a lot of entities. Yeah, I mean, I'm seeing weirdness even at virtually no entities, which is super strange. I mean, I definitely have stuff happening, but this is just a few trees. A grid map, right? These are tiles on a grid map. And then there's some process stuff running, but really minimal. So, yeah. One of these things is doing weird stuff. Maybe just the sheer amount of tiles is a bad move. They're also not like properly set up to not render on just one side. That's an easy improvement. Yeah, like there's definitely nothing crazy that I'm doing here, but obviously I did something wrong. Don't know. Might be grid map. If they have collisions, they do not have collisions. I don't think so. They are... I don't even know how you do collisions on a grid map. Oh, well, okay, there you go. They do not have collisions. And test tile set. They are quad meshes. Yeah, pretty basic. I should set it to cull mode back, really. Yeah, I should do that. That's for sure. What about nav mesh? I know I had to recount each frame as you're moving. It doesn't do it every frame. It does like 60 zombies per frame or something. Okay, so it does do it every frame, but not for every single thing. But for the player doesn't use the nav mesh. So if I have no zombies, it shouldn't be being used at all. I don't know if it does something by default. Been a long time since I've benchmarked Godot on my machine. Back in the day, I used to start getting performance issues once the node count got to around 6,000 nodes, which is easier than you'd think. Oh, I'm sure I'm well over 6,000. We can try it on the test level. But on the main level, it is definitely more than that. So here we go, monitors, nodes, 19,000. How's that possible? Is each tile a node? That can't be. Yeah, that can't be right. So if I did that, and then we played it again. Debugger, monitor, 19,000. It's the same count. What?
What's going on?
How do I have 19,000 nodes in here?
Have you found your culprit maybe then?
uh... 19,000.
She's like, what the... Is even that?
Oh, of course. Because I'm spawning like 400 zombies in the pool. Right? So... Say I had 400 zombies and each of them had like 20 nodes in them. That's going to be a lot, right? I bet that's where it's coming from. So if I went to Zombie Manager and I said that the pool size is 1, node 634. Yeah. So that would mean I need to take my zombie and just completely break it apart. Have it all controlled by a manager instead of using any nodes at all. Yeah. Might not be, yeah. Yeah. I'm trying everything. Yeah, it's, you know, it's a process. It is what it is. We'll get there. But yeah, it's fun to see you with your project reaching the horror stuff, right? Because I know that you've said before that you're not much of a horror gamer. And then you went ahead and started a horror project. So I was like, I'm interested to see where this is going. So timer worked. Timer is still counting up top. I need to stop that. We need to check if the survivors worked. Another thing we need to do is on player. Not on player, on tool.
Yeah, I don't know. Horror has been on my mind for a while, so we'll see.
Run manager, player, lost. Turn. Wait, that's not even gonna work. That's not even gonna work.
Horror game is about 500 nodes at run. By the way, just checked.
Yeah. So what do you got? You got the level, you got the elevator, you got the player, you got a couple objects like the table, the chandelier, stuff like that. You got the mail. Like, in a way, it is kind of crazy that it's already at 500. Kind of. like it escalates rapidly. Bunch of lights, some objects. Yeah, I would have guessed to be closer to 10 than 500. Yeah, it gets out of hand quick.
Look at this. Wow. So sidewalking.
Damn. Beautifully grimy. Very nice.
Braxton.
Yeah.
Wow. There's a garage door if you want to distract yourself with something.
In a bit.
Thank you for the alert.
Have a good one, Johnson.
Like a sidewalk, stand for the very first time. I like trying to guess what the song is. Fun game.
Yeah, I feel like Geek and Gale is really good at making me never know what the song is. This threw us the classics.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm sure Geek and Gale would call all of the references also classics, so it's more my bad than anything.
It's not your fault that you like to listen to soundtracks rather than songs. Like,
yeah. I would say that 90% of my music listening is either movie or game soundtracks. Okay.
most of my music is from games or movies too. Nice. I've definitely enjoy that when I don't want to be distracted. I feel like I will definitely want to listen to that, because if I listen to music that has lyrics, I'll just sing the song, even if it's like just not out loud, but like in my head, I'll just be like singing along in my head and totally not paying. I like that.
What? I have a start timer and not a stop timer. That's crazy.
You gotta be able to stop your timers. Stop the timers that you start.
End screen button. Button.
Oh, snap, dude.
Go again button. Go again button. Rest. Connect. On. Go again. Press. Get tree. Reload current scene. Damn it! I can still use my syringe while I'm dead.
Isn't that good? You can cure zombies from beyond.
Did the timer stop? I didn't see.
Sorry, I wasn't looking.
Alarm. Wah. Wah, wah. This light is like flashing red.
Oh, I gotta separate those before you're done.
Timer did stop. Great. Next, hello.
Hi, Dex. Welcome, welcome. Happy Tuesday.
We're doing pretty good. Hope you're doing well.
Da, 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 da. You know what I mean, though?
Yeah. So, for the tool, I said if the run is not active, don't trigger use. So, why did it get used? Syringe. On use, we do things and stuff. So that means that it did get used. Ow. Run active should be set to false. Run active false. So how the heck did this...
Or was it true?
I don't understand. What? How can I still use it? Doesn't make any sense. Oh, we got some errors. Let's add a thing here. Print run is active.
Whoa.
Copy, thank you for the follow.
Thank you so much. Welcome for hanging out.
Run is active. True, 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 true.
True, true.
Right, because it does input runs every frame. Run is active, still true.
And Ahmed, thank you so much for following.
Okay. End run. Oh, I see.
Was there a sus?
Because in lose,
Hello, welcome.
in lose, I should be calling end run. I wasn't doing that. Mystery solved. Nice.
We are making a little game here.
We are. We're trying our best.
I am texturing some assets.
Oh my god.
And now we're getting greeted.
Wolby, hello. B-Raid, hello.
Hello. Happy Tuesday. Welcome, welcome.
Hope you had a fantastic stream. I did it. I can no longer use my thing from the beyond. Casper, hello. Emma, hello. Hope everyone's doing well.
You had a stream.
Nice.
Good. Good. You had a stream.
I hope it was a stream of all time. That is my wish. Okay, this is working. We can go again. It's dealing with stuff that Valley did, so... Valley has me doing grunt work on remaking maps, and it's fun.
Not the grunt work.
Mostly because of past Valley's decisions. I mean, I can relate to that. Like, from disliking past me. I know the feeling. From both ends. Well, even so, I hope you got through it. If you need to raid and run, grab a snack or go for some rest, completely understand, but really appreciate you stopping by.
And thank you for the raid as well.
Dinner approaching, but I don't know when, so I shall relax here for a bit, then run away. Fair enough, fair enough.
Well, thank you so much.
Enjoy your stay.
I'm drawing a sidewalk.
Look at that. Looking good.
Oh. Hope so.
I like it. What's the plan for the merging of the driveway into that? Is that going to be under the driveway, you think? Or
I hodgepodged this.
yeah.
So the idea will be that I will sort of mirror what you already have on the other side and just kind of cut it off
Okay.
straight across, you know, so like the driveway is round and then it will have like a, I don't know however long it is, but it'll have like a
Yeah.
straight bit, and then it'll just, so we don't have to worry about it interacting with the curve.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like, it looked weird when it was just going up to the circular bit, right? That's why you did that a little bit.
Yeah, I guess it looked weird, and like you can mess around with this and like.
Yeah, if you do that one, we can see it without a custom thing, and then
Yeah.
we feel like we still need it. But I do understand needing it. Yeah, we'll find out. Okay. Okay. Let me commit this as is. So, added game over screen. Okay. So, timer done. Survivors count done. Resources collected is an interesting one. So for this, first off, we need to actually make sure that we have said information. So we go here, there'll be this. We have run items, but we don't have, what did I call it? Lab items? Yeah, which are basically resources. So lab items is an array of lab item. Then we can do this. A lab item, lab items append, lab item added.
Well, feed up. Hello.
Hello.
Thank you for that, Cassini. I really appreciate those. I love a little kiss.
Okay, and then container. Tell if loot is lab item, run manager, lab item, add loot. Okay. Then we want to change this. Save branch as seen. UI, we're gonna make a new folder, call it resource list.
Source.
Resource list. Yeah. Okay. This will need a script. Just found out today, July 8th, in case you're in the future, is Cow Appreciation Day.
Cow Appreciation Day. I love that.
Nice.
Moo.
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 It's actually offensive. I don't know why you would say that.
Maka's judging me. She winked at me.
She meowed back. Did you swear in cow? That's what I heard.
I must have.
Resource.
I don't know.
list.
I don't know why Maka's judging me. After Maka's judging me after she failed the cat IQ test.
She did.
Twice.
That was entertaining.
In a row.
It's pretty entertaining.
Couldn't figure out the treat was in my hand. Tisk. When I first saw those videos, I was like, ain't no way they're just being silly. Like, how could they not know what it is? They must be being distracted. But no, they just, some cats just don't know. You know. To tell you what, cats have 1/5 of the intelligence of dogs. Yes, but like amongst cats. So I've been seeing this video of like.
What do you mean? What do you mean? Yes. Don't just agree with him. He just gave it to you for free.
Like, yes, I hear you on that. I can't prove or disprove this information, but
Pally,
Oh,
hello.
hello. I just wanted to say how, like, in these videos, like, people that have multiple cats will do the treat test. Like, they'll put it in their palm, and then they'll, like, put their fingers in a circle so they can in front of them. And there's cats that just go straight up, like, around they're like, oh yeah, the treat's in the hand, and they're blocking me. I'll just go around and eat the treat. But then there's other cats that just, like, they just don't know. They just can't. They just don't know they can just go around and eat the treat. And Maka is one of those cats. You know.
Came with Wobby. Yeah. Both Casper and Wobby were just really talking you up, Fally. Just saying how amazing you are. It was great. It was great. It was all bants.
Just bands between.
Never would we talk about Fally in that way. How's it going, Fally? Good to hear from you. Cats are generally dumber because they were mostly bred to look pretty, as opposed to dogs who were bred for doing a job of some kind. And the dogs that were bred to look pretty, you can definitely sense the IQ difference. I don't appreciate this slander. Okay. So
Yeah.
I think I want a script here as well. So we're gonna have the label. What the heck did I just click? Hello?
You click the thing and stuff.
We're gonna call this the count label. Sorry, I take it back. Which will contain the item count.
I'm so sorry, but you're saying count so many times that I'm just thinking about Count Dracula.
Yes, that was the joke that I made. Let's do a set count. Function count, which is an integer, and then we go count label dot text equals x plus str count. So here from the resource list, I could say this is a
Oh, hi, Google.
resource
You're still not allowed to
list
sit here.
item,
I love you, but you can't sit here.
and I could say set count 20, let's say. If we play, we should now see the duct tape X20. Yeah. Okay.
Oh no.
Okay. So we need to do some crazy stuff now. We're gonna say resource list mock add. Then we need var resource counts, which will be a dictionary of lab item integers.
I now cannot do any more work for today. I'm so sorry.
That's important work that you're doing right now.
Yeah.
Maka has decided she needs cuddles. So Selena's out for the count.
He's just sitting. And purring.
For item in run manager lab items, we need to say if resource counts has looks for a key. So if it has the item as a key, we say resource counts item plus equals 1. If it does not have that key yet, we'll say resource counts item equals 1. Then for resource wait, can you iterate over a dictionary? I need both the key and the value. So like in JavaScript, you would do dot entries. Does that exist in Godot? You can iterate over the keys in the dictionary. Right. Do key and get the value from the key. Yeah, I guess that works. Because in JavaScript, you would do something like resource counts entries. And then you could pass in a inline function which receives both key and value, and then you can do stuff with that. But I guess Godot doesn't have that.
Coco's really being a little baby right now. She's just in my arms. Just wanted a hug.
Sorry, Wolby, something got cut out there. It's thinking you're posting a link. Dictionary dot keys. Yeah. Yes, you can do that for sure. A lambda function. Yeah. Maybe I could write that helper for the future so I can do that. For key in dictionary is equivalent to dictionary.keys. Okay, so I could still do for item in resource counts, and that should give me the key, right? We will say resource item equals resource mock dot duplicate, then resource item set count. Now we need to get the value, so we go resource counts item, then we add child resource item show. We also need a way to set the texture. So set sprite, then sprite is a texture 2D.
Leveled up.
Did texture equals sprite, and in here we can say set texture.
What engine are you using before you tried Godot?
Initially, when we started out making games, we worked with Game Maker for a bit. And then I tried Unity for a little bit. I don't know, maybe like a week. And then finally I found Godot.
Bye, Maka.
And that's what I've been using since. I really enjoy Godot. But still, we used Game Maker for maybe like 6 months or something.
Yeah, not too long.
Okay, well, let's find out if this does anything. I'm gonna grab some items.
You really enjoy being artist and a game dev? I mean, I really enjoy the art side of things. I think this is probably my favorite art-related thing I've done, because I just get to see everything like be truly and really like alive, and that's just.
I don't think I actually got much in actual resources. I might need to add more containers around the place. Definitely do something. It'll work or crash. Yep. Yeah, it was the second one. 'Twas the latter.
You have nice assets, so you really work hard. Thank you. Yeah, I mean, I've been really having a good time making stuff. And it's just so cool how I might be working on very small individual pieces. And it might not seem like very impressive when you see me on stream, like just doing this. Right? But then like once we go and put that in the game, along with everything else, it really starts to come together, and it just looks really fun.
Yeah, we've put quite a bit of work on visuals because we wanted to. I don't know. We just wanted to find the game's look, the game's vibe. Like this area here is pretty neat. Little greenhouse. We also have this hedge maze, which is neat. We did this little area here as well. There's a little shed. Log pile. Yeah.
Yeah.
Fun times. Okay, so what did I do? Invalid assignment of property or key text with value of type string on a base object of type nil. So it's saying count label doesn't exist. I'm gonna go ahead and say that might be like, does it want to be on the scene tree first? I wonder.
Casper says, art is my downfall. I can do absolute bare minimum artwork, but I can code all day and create some beautiful things. That is why
programming is art.
That is true, but that is why we come together, right? Because you know, I'm sure there are people that can do everything, but, you know, if you're really good at something, you really enjoy one thing, you just gotta come together and find people that are really good at the other thing, and then that's why we make teams. Community, yay! Honestly, I don't think we'd be making games if we weren't making games together. Because I can't
100%.
I can't code a hello world page to save my life.
100%. I'm just gonna add a few more of these.
Yeah. Although you can make some pretty cool art.
We don't talk about Bruno, okay? I can code enough, I would say. I can code enough to do the thing. Bum, 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 bum.
That's how I feel about 3D assets.
Yeah.
I can do enough.
You can model enough. Okay, we got some duct tape and some screws, I think. So we should see 2 duct tape, 1 screws.
Wow.
Let's go. Woo!
Woo!
That works for me. Again, we're going to have like a fancy... For anyone that hasn't seen it, this is our upgrade selection at the moment. We're drawing a lot of inspiration from comic books for the UI style. And I'm sure the game over screen will have a lot of this kind of stuff.
It'll look much cool.
I'm just making it work
That's,
before we make it fun.
and that's important.
Okay, I'm gonna do this just so I can see about this. I'll do that, let's say. This is center, yes, okay. So for now, I think this works. Suppose one little change we could do.
Mr. D-Boy, hello, hello.
Hello.
Welcome.
How's it going? Or loot. I'm just gonna do a little random situation here. And I'll say for I in rand I range 1, 2, 3.
How's the game coming along? It's slowly coming together, but it is coming together.
Yeah, we hit a little hiccup on performance. So I'm now doing a pass on optimization. So like the grass, for example, we had one scene for every blade of grass. So I'm making that a multi-mesh instance. I'm going over the zombies, making them performant. Yeah. Doing a bit of housekeeping to get the performance back in check. But other than that, we got all the systems in.
Macadondu.
All the gameplay systems are up and running for the playtest. We are now doing things like the game over screen and the start screen. Celine is working on polishing some of the map areas, but we're pretty close to our first playtest, which is exciting. Yeah. Looks awesome. Thank you so much.
And now imagine that game over screen went, you know, like,
Yeah.
whoa.
Yeah.
You know?
Like maximum dopamine.
Yeah.
As much dopamine as we can.
Yeah. Just imagine it.
Yeah.
Use your imagination.
Did that work?
Oh, you have dopamine. Good luck. I guess one of these days we could,
That was weird.
if I wanted to work on UI on stream, it's probably better if I share a screen on my PC where it's faster to mock stuff up. And like
I'm so sorry.
Illustrator.
Could you say that one more time?
That's okay.
I was doing.
No,
I'm sorry.
of course. It was mostly just saying it.
Sure,
It's
sure.
okay. That I could share a screen on like Illustrator and stuff for
Yeah,
UI.
yeah.
Because it's just it's really messy to just hand draw UI.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, great.
I get it.
Also, welcome on in, Sally.
Hey, silly.
And you have a sidewalk Gulba if you would like to test
Cool.
that.
Yeah. I'm going to commit this and then do the garage door and the path.
Oh my gosh, is that an otter? Is that the internet famous otter tempting? Hello? How was your stream? What were you up to?
Happy Tuesday.
Look at that. Little Temtini Makuku. Was good?
Nice.
Bala Makina Inga. Oh, I'm so excited that you're working on the I was gonna say paintball.
Paintball.
I'm tired. Pinball.
Hey, you need a paintball upgrade. Paintball roguelike. That's the Bala Machina sequel.
Yeah.
It still has balls, so it's fine.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, Casper, I mean usually when we stream and I want to show what I'm working on that's not on the iPad, I will basically share on Discord and then you do OBS magic.
Yeah. One day we'll have like a cool setup with an actual capture card and it's gonna be great, but today is not that day.
We're scrappy.
Yeah, we're just
Yeah.
making it work. Level complete reminds me of Deep Rock Galactic Survivor, how you head back to the ship and then the level completes. Yeah, I see that. Yeah. With the elevator. Yeah, for sure.
And here it was when I suggested it, I just thought it'd be hilarious and just completely random.
I mean, it's random. I am hoping the whole secret elevator is gonna give players some giggles.
Thank you. Yeah, it was very much just one of those like, wouldn't it be so funny if it did this thing? Tentix says I managed to get items to be shown as a preview in the shop. Oh snap, let's go.
Nice. So you're pretty close to actually getting items in there, doing stuff?
Big.
Very exciting. Nice. Okay. I'm gonna call that good enough.
Mm-hmm.
Added.
That means game release next week.
Resource count to game over screen.
Do you think this time next year will be like at a good point?
Yes. This time next year, we're testing the final build of the game.
Right. Yeah.
100%.
I hope so.
100%.
Famous last words, but I hope so.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna start with garage. Stream chat, sure. Look at that. Soon TM.
Oh, I love that. That's great.
Nice. Spinner, drop target, bumper, circle target. I think I know what those are. It's kind of like a drop target, but you just hit it on a wall instead, right? Wire rollover. I don't know what that is.
I definitely do know all the terms.
Star rollover. What's the difference between a drop target and a wire rollover? Oh no, what? Yeah. One is the little thing that lights up. This one has an actual physical thing that affects the ball.
So like one is a thing and one is another thing.
Exactly. So what's this up top with the soon? Is that like the jokers? Is that something different? Be the stickers, right? Like passive upgrades. Nice. Nice. Exciting. Let's go. Wire rollover is a little wire that pokes out of the table. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, makes sense. So you have those like more crazier upgrades, and then you have just adding components to the table. I like it. Garage door.
Yes, sir.
So at the moment, right, I have this random thing. So I need to add garage door to this. I do want to... do this. Make local. Then I guess I can just do this. Okay. Cool.
Thank you so much for that fart, Tempting. Really appreciate it.
B-roll works. It uses a seed. Ooh. It might or might not be called otters currently. What? Okay, let's do that. Oh, you even did a little handle. That's cool.
I did. I was worried it'd be upside down when I put the texture back in.
Okay. So here I could delete this. Oh, crap.
What did you do?
How do I do this? Garage. I can't do spaces. Can I? I can, okay. Great. So delete that. Garage door. I'm going to increase that even more. So let's do 5. I'll do... Let's do this. On scale, I'm gonna say... It goes like... Oh my god. Maybe it goes
Joan
like
says that was sick.
4. And then we keyframe position, and we keyframe
Wicked cool.
this position. So it does both moving and a bit of squanching. Make that cubic.
Not too big. I think that's a bit too big.
Cool. I kind of like that you still see some of it. I don't want the door to completely disappear.
No.
So let's try something like this.
Oh, that's another
my
raid.
goodness. Hilfert, hello.
Hello, welcome on in to our Tuesday evening stream.
Hope you had a great stream. How's it going?
Take some hill fortune. Take him off my hands.
All nerds are welcome. Hello, hello. Hope the project is going well.
I would say, hope you guys like zombies, but you know. I'd be more surprised if you didn't.
Wait, what have I done? What have I done? Okay.
Going good, more great boxing. I'll be back soon, just letting the dog out.
Sure, no worries. Hope everyone enjoyed Hilfert's stream. Welcome on in. We are 2 nerdy nerds.
This is true.
And we are copying Hilfert's game. We are making a 2.5D zombie game.
Welcome to Long Gone from Wish. No, we're doing okay. We're doing all right.
It moves. Nice. Can't quite see the door, so I think I could even have it a bit further down. At the moment, we're working on this little area with this garage, which
Wait,
Opens the door.
should this be called like short arrivals?
Short arrivals.
Sorry, you carry on with the actual work.
Is that fog on the maze? It is. It is. It's a spoopy hedge maze. Very foggy, you know? Kind of like that one in Harry Potter's. That's amazing.
Amazing.
Beef.
Beef.
I took beef.
Beef. Wait, I never saw the garage door in action. I'm gonna head out into the thick fog. See you, nerds. Stay safe and awesome. Have a good week, Temptic. Thank you for coming in today.
Bye bye, Temptic. There you go. There's the garage door. Closed.
Wow.
Very nice.
That's awesome.
I can also pull it forward a little bit, so it's not as indented.
It's alright.
And then it opens.
We're gonna
I
need
will-
some chugga chugga sounds.
Yes.
Do you know what I mean?
I know exactly what you mean. And also, I agree. What was I gonna do? Right, I said that I didn't want it as far down. That's right, that's right. Warning.
What?
Could not resolve track.
Oh. It has unresolved issues.
Yes. Could not resolve track.
That's rough.
But it's also a lie. Because it can. The animation is playing, therefore it can resolve track, indeed.
It's like, I feel like you're not acknowledging the track's feelings here. It's telling you it can't resolve it.
So if I were to say keyframe this. Right. I don't understand what the problem is. What do you mean it cannot resolve track? What? Let's give it a good old restart.
Classic.
It always works.
Yeah.
50% of the time.
Maka, don't do
It
it.
fixes
Maka, no.
bugs 100% of the time.
Maka, you're just gonna try to sit on my keyboard. No. Sorry.
It fixed it.
Like, actually.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Just turn it off and on again. And you're good. You're
When it
golden.
works, it works. Wow. Save them! Save the peepos! Save all those definitely not Sean's. I mean, Simon. I mean, yeah. So
Both.
Both. uh, Jalabi, hello. Yeah, well, welcome back.
Welcome back,
The
over.
dog is empty. Coffee has been acquired.
How goes the gray boxing? I'm excited to see you set up some new areas. Did you move on to different areas because you were done with the house, or did you move on to other areas because you were done with the house? Do you get what I'm saying?
Both.
Both. Finished washing a car. A car. Not your car?
Like just a car on the street.
Did you have the permission to wash this car? If it was not your car.
Were you compensated for this?
That is important. My mom's car. Okay, so I assume, yeah, you probably had permission.
What?
Five out of 7 of the exploration areas done now. Then onto the platforming sections after that. There's platforming?
Oh, snap.
Celine,
What?
write that down.
Oh shoot, we gotta do platforming now too? Oh no.
So 5 out of 7, you mean you gray boxed 4 or 5 out of 7 areas? That's a good effort right there. Nice. Did I mention this is an MMO? Oh crap. What have we done? Made 4 gray boxes in the past couple of weeks. Very nice. Very nice.
I made a sidewalk.
It's such a good feeling as well, turning gray boxes into like fully realized things, right? Like this used to be, I probably don't even have it anymore.
A gray box.
It used to be a gray box. That's true. Like the whole level looked like this. And we just been chiseling away. But yeah, it's going well. It's progressing. We finished all the gameplay systems for the in-run gameplay anyway. We finished this little secret elevator.
Secret elevator.
So you can escape back to the lab.
That's my favorite part. It's my favorite bit.
And today we added the actual game over screen. Yeah.
Yeah. Secret elevator is best.
So, I mean, honestly, there's obviously more art to do, like polish on the level. Maybe a bit more content, like more of these upgrades. There's some performance issues I need to fix. But we're pretty close to our first playtest, which is exciting. And I'm very curious to hear what people think about the gameplay loop. Obviously, that's quite important to get that one right. So, Yeah. You guys feeling good about the loop of the game, though? I think there's definitely things that need figuring out. I think the loop is very tight, like it's clear for the player, you know, save some people, upgrade, save more people, explore the map. It's self-explanatory. I think there's just dials that need turning, like difficulty, number of zombies, maybe some values on the upgrades themselves to really nail that sense of progression, but also keep it challenging. As long as that's right, I think the loop is great. Hadi Kanan, hello.
Welcome. Hello.
And it certainly feels more freeing now that we have all the systems in place. As we test and as other people play the game and give us their feedback, is a lot easier to iterate. So I think we're in a good spot. For sure.
I think it's really fun to see the little nerds going into their little hidey holes.
Yeah.
There's some nerds on my screen. My screen too. That's weird. Oh man.
I would definitely love to say that, yeah, the gameplay is super fun and it's perfect, but I think there's going to be a little bit of a process. Oops. The zombies can go through the bramble.
Is that
I mean,
is that illegal?
I guess they wouldn't care about getting hurt. Maybe that's fine. I
think they should be slowed though, if you're gonna allow it.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's gonna take a couple iterations to really get it going.
I think what's gonna make it what makes it fun and like more interesting is choosing your quote unquote weapon.
Yeah.
Type, your applicator.
Yeah.
Because then that kind of starts to shape your build and like what your abilities look like and how you're playing through the level. I think that's probably the most fun.
Mm-hmm. Also, with these types of games, usually you have to worry about how the enemies behave, right, to manage difficulty. But because we have this whole setup where they turn back into humans and then they run after you, you also have to make the humans' behavior satisfying. Like, sometimes they run off because they're trying to run away from the zombies, and you just feel like you've lost control. Like, that guy, how am I going to get that guy back? He's gone. He's dead.
He's just gone.
He might as well give up.
Don't do it. Definitely not, Simon.
So, like, making that better so that the player has more agency and it's not just at the whims of the AI is very important.
Project has a lot of charm though, guys. Really loving the direction. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Did you figure out what the slowdown lag was about?
Oh, it's too slow.
In progress. Progress.
Yeah, I mean, as you can see, it's better. Like, it's still minute 4 and I'm playing and it's all good. So it's a lot better now. But there's still plenty more optimizations to do. You know, like I got 20 FPS back, but I want to get back 200 FPS, you know?
Yeah.
Just to be sure. Just to be safe.
And are you using AI too?
Outside of some coding help from ChatGPT, we don't use AI, no.
Aside from some math help, some quick math help.
Yeah, a lot of math help.
What's 2 + 2?
Let me ask ChatGPT. So this is an interesting situation where, because I wasn't efficient enough in the early game, I'm just too far behind, so I can't deal with this horde.
You gotta extract. Or are you gonna even be able to extract?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a special! Always coming for you.
Because I didn't level up early game enough, I'm just way too weak. But it's weird because I'm weak, but I can still stay alive just because the zombies are too slow.
Yeah, unless you like box yourself in.
Yeah.
It's a lot of fiddling with speeds and things.
That might mean that the zombie upgrades need buffing.
Yeah.
Okay, I died. There you go.
Use as isolate intelligence to generate GFX. Are you gonna have like area attacks and heal waves, like heal grenades?
100%, yeah.
You got some missiles. Are they broken now?
Yeah, so if I do...
Missiles. There won't be missiles. There will be... No zombies are harmed in the making of this game.
They're syringe missiles. We have syringe missiles. Yeah, so these are our current... We call them cure applicators. So we have the dart gun, which is what I was just using. Just a ranged projectile. We have the missile array, which fires like missile syringes. And then we have the flask, which is the grenade type. So if I go here.
I want a time to cure drones that follow me around. I like big farts and I can't. See? Oh my God. Sorry. Thank you so much for that, Redeem. Appreciate you bringing that up. Thank you. I want the idea of a little companion, a little drone companion that can not only drop you supplies, but can also just spray cure, like a pesticide.
Yeah, we've talked about before of having a whole set of upgrades that are...
That's what that was.
They're basically your summon build, right? So drones, like rovers, that type of stuff.
A robot doc, yes.
Yeah,
oh my God, I'm gonna draw it right now.
Basically have a build path where you just focus on summoning stuff, right? And then you can buff your summons maybe. I think there's a set of players, me included, that really enjoyed that style of gameplay, so definitely looking forward to having that. Cure mines, yep. That one's in the list already. I can show you the missiles. Can I just add it here? I think so. Yeah, so that was the grenade version. This is the missile array. So you fire missiles and then they rain down on random targets. So it's like auto aim, but you don't pick your targets. Yeah, this is cool. Thank you. is more of an impact. Yeah, we need to do a whole VFX pass. Sound as well, for sure.
Yeah. I think for sound, we've just been using sounds from a pack that we already had, right? We're not.
Yeah.
First pass.
Yeah, we've been looking at some inspiration for VFX. Found a game not that long ago. We were dissecting their trailer like frame by frame. It just looks so awesome, and it kind of fits our visual style. So probably gonna take a lot of inspiration from it. It's called Bakudo. It's very nice. There's like some distortion. You got just the word popping out, which we've talked about before, having like a bam or a pow, stuff like that.
Yeah.
Then you got these, I don't know what you'd call these, like little textures, but very comic booky style. You know. I think I saw that trailer. It's good. This is a good trailer. I also saw this, Celine, recently, Raiders of Black Veil, and I really enjoyed their UI here. Like, I don't know if we can take inspiration from these shapes, or I don't know exactly what I like about it, but it's cool.
Uh-huh.
Just chucked it in there for later.
Icons are my biggest weakness. I don't look forward to making icons.
Yeah. Many inspirations. Bakudo looks freaking awesome, right? It's really good. The trailer is really well made as well. Yeah, we need some of these, you know? Some wham. Blam. Shazam. Wait, no, that's a different thing.
No, we can't do that.
We can't do that.
Yeah, I think we should have this in the game for sure.
Does it have a metallic mustache? I like it. It would be so dark as well to make a robot and style it as himself. That actually fits perfectly. He would do that.
He would do that. It's like in character, perfectly in character.
Yeah.
Just cut from one big piece of steel.
Yeah, that's probably gonna happen. We can call it Mini-Me.
Can we do that? Are we allowed to do that?
I mean, surely you can't trademark those words. Very Robotnik vibe. Oh, this, you haven't seen nothing.
Oh, we are in ads right now. Let's wait a bit.
Ah. Look at this. I just love doing this.
No! Stop! Don't snatch his toupee and beard.
His toupee. I need some water. I'll be right back. And I leave it right here.
Divorced version! No! So excited for you guys. Stuff is awesome. Thank you, Hilford. Appreciate it. Oh my gosh. Great. Now we're gonna have to add player customization, and you can remove or add hair pieces to your liking. You're just a bald dog. But yeah, we will now be adding this beautiful little robot doc to the game. That will be the companion. I have decided he will be in the game.
That's fair. Makes sense.
He will be called D-Doc.
D-Doc.
I don't know, something.
Okay. What was I doing?
I don't know.
Garage door?
I asked you to put the sidewalk in.
Yeah, the garage is good. It's great. Obviously needs sounds and
Influence
whatnot. But...
persists again. Yeah, now we have a companion.
Added
It's a little wheel.
garage door.
Oh my god, he could totally like come out of the house and go like beep 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 boop boop and like alert the humans.
Okay,
And-
you're voicing the robot. That has also been decided.
So like he can guide humans that are led astray. Like he can take them to other safe points.
Yep, we can discuss that at some point.
That sounds like a lot of math for you to do. But wouldn't it be cool?
Yeah. So where am I going to find this?
Sorry, I'm just getting more ideas. That's in the tiles.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
Cobble plane?
Oh. I made a little folder called Sidewalk in tile sets.
Maybe my thing hasn't updated.
Sometimes the little mini dock, you could use him like on the mini dock build. He could like with his breath spread the cure, like his little teeth opening like opens and doses the crowd with cure, you know.
Yeah. Oh, come on. A lot of math for ChatGPT, yeah. True.
Oh,
I ain't doing no math.
a little man.
Wait, is it... What? Tile sets? Environment tile sets.
Then there's a sidewalk folder.
Sidewalk folder, yeah.
And then it's in there.
Got it. Oh. Sorry, I punched the mic.
Who punched the mic?
So... Where am I gonna put this?
I don't know. I made it long. Hoping that it's, you know, you can hide some of it towards the house if you need to. Oh, but it is, you need to rotate it.
It's like this?
Yeah.
Is it supposed to be as
Well, it's
wide
the
as the
opposite
stairs?
of that, like, just like completely. Yeah.
Is that
hello?
width like you expected?
No.
Is it supposed to be the width of the stairs?
Yes.
This is scaled.
This is because we are scaling stuff in Godot, I
Yeah.
believe. I mean,
There we go.
it doesn't have to be the size of this, the width of the stairs.
No, it's fine. Sounds good.
Oh, I didn't quite make it long. It's okay. That's perfect. That's perfect for what I wanted, because I was gonna do the little like
The
cut
lip.
out the little lip from the thing anyway. But yeah, you can now slide it and see what it looks like coming in like that. It is a little awkward, I guess.
Owie, hello, hello.
Or maybe it's not. Maybe we're just overthinking it. Maybe it's fine. I don't know I don't know. I mean, have you seen the roads in London? They're like messy.
Yeah, but it definitely doesn't. It doesn't feel right. It doesn't feel.
He just had a dodgy contractor.
It doesn't feel like it belongs. I think. Like, why would you have a stone that just ends in that shape? It doesn't make sense. Yeah.
Yeah. So we will do that then.
Yeah.
And now you have a sidewalk. Yay.
I also need to figure out this. What are we gonna do for the safe zone stuff?
Say some stuff.
Like the safe zone marker shenanigans.
Right, because I had done this loose thing.
Yeah.
But we don't know if we would be entirely happy with that, right?
Yeah, I don't think I want it to be that prominent. I would like to see a version of it without a UI feel to it. Like it's more in-world physically type of thing. You know, like the sign, for example, that's like in-world marker. And then the perimeter, you know, like flares or tape, like hazard tape, you know, stuff like that.
It could just be like lights, floor lights. You know, like little floor spotlights.
Mm-hmm.
And I think I still want to do the signs. The little exit signs.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess to continue working on the manor,
Ow.
you would need me to make the little planters
Yep.
with the little curbs.
Mm-hmm. We already have the hedges, right? So
Yeah.
we'll just reuse that.
Yeah, I'm sure you can reuse the hedges. There's a little welcome mat. Oh, but did I save that on its own? I have put. Oh. Saved it. You're just playing the game.
I am.
That's good. Cure missile!
I'm definitely missing like being able to check my build. Like, I don't think I have anything that triggers cure missiles, which means this shouldn't appear here in the first place. Oh no, it's 25% chance to cure missile on cure application, so actually it would work, yeah.
When I finish making my game, I'm gonna release a video of every car jump scare I had while making the game.
Do you have sound in the game? I watched the video on mute, so I'm not sure. Because that, like a car speeding towards you honking, that would definitely be scary.
The camera's like 12 and I also have no sound. Tyler, thank you so much for your fart.
Hey, Tyler.
Appreciate it.
Oh, Dedge. Hey, that screen worked.
Exactly.
Oh, someone got cured.
Hey, do those count?
I guess maybe they should. I don't know.
Oh.
Wait. Oh, because they got rescued. I leveled
Yeah.
up.
Oh, wait. We gotta fix some stuff here.
Whoops. Wait a minute, that's cheating. Wait, what's happening to the zombies? What the heck? Okay.
You're just like dead on the floor. I just trampled over. Oh no.
I think it would definitely be funnier if the dog turned into a zombie. It just flumps.
Oh no.
If the dog turned into a zombie and then it started roaming as well.
I think that's the only way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then the animation, it would fade to black, and then it would go to the lab scene, and then he would just come in through the doors as a zombie, and then transform back into the dog because he's like has immunity, right?
Okay.
So he would just turn back and be like, "Whoa, that felt weird."
When he opens the door, there's like the classic bucket prank, and a bucket of the cure falls on him,
yeah.
and so he gets
Yeah.
cures. Yeah, he cures himself.
Yeah, the premise is that the doc is like kind of immune to the zombies. That's why he can get hit multiple times and he doesn't turn. So even if he turns into a zombie, after a while he would just revert back, just because his blood has immunity. Cheating like this, we should report you to the people who made the game. All right, cool.
We did some stuff. I think that was pretty good Tuesday.
I think so as well. Good stuff.
I mean, I did the things I wanted to do.
Samesies. We take those.
Yeah.
We take those.
I think I'm starting to get really fed up with how ugly the manor looks, so I'm just gonna tackle that.
It's yum.
You could totally put some of the little bushes.
Yeah.
But yeah. Looks ugly.
All right. I think it's time. It's getting late over here.
It is getting late.
Pretty,
it is a work night.
pretty late.
Where are we going then?
We need to get this raid train going. Where are we going? I see a Seto.
Is it Seto Sundays?
It's been a while.
Headed out to GG guys. Thank you so much for the raid, and thank you so much for hanging out with us, Helford. Really appreciate it.
Have a good one. Hilfert, Palanir.
Thank you for the stream.
Not Hilford. Seto is what I meant.
For more car.
Yeah, let's do Seto. Let's do Seto.
I know how I mean, 3-hour stream. Pretty good.
Pretty
I'd
good.
say for Tuesday night.
Yeah, on a weekday, this is a stretch for us.
Yeah. We'll be back on Friday. We'll be doing some more fun things. Some more 3D, some more 2D, some more math.
There's always math. That's not true. That's not true.
There's mostly math.
Thank you so much for hanging out,
Good
nerds.
night, cheaters. Hey, I had nothing to do with that.
Really appreciate you guys hanging out. Means a lot. Well, yeah, we're gonna go to sleep.
Oh, we're gonna see Seto.
Yes.
Let's go.
All right, nerds. We'll catch you on Friday.
See you next time. Bye.
Get point at percentage. We're gonna rate it up today. What the hell's going on? Welcome in to Nerdy Nerds. We're back to Death of Growth, working on Locks and Larceny today, JF Gerard. So Locks and Larceny are the Tuesday and Wednesday streams, and Saturdays and Sundays are Death for Growth. But welcome in to Nerdy Nerds. Thank you for joining us.